Are you still working with spreadsheets like this? Here's our spreadsheet with data from our wine sales database. We've probably keyed this information in from a report. Most of the data we work with in spreadsheets used to be like this. We can work with this a bit. We can do a few things. We can sort it. We can subtotal it. And once we've got some subtotals, if we work quite hard, we can get a couple of visualizations. We can get a simple chart or a pie chart out of the data. But really, this is a very old way of working with spreadsheets. The data is not going to update, and it's not very pretty to look at. Excel, though, is changing, and spreadsheets will never be the same again. This is Microsoft Power View, part of the Power Tools for Microsoft Excel. We can simply use this as a dashboard to get information about our spreadsheet, clicking on the UK to get the UK status, or clicking on Bordeaux to find out how much wine of that type we've sold. And as we have postcode data, we can plot this information onto a map of the UK to see how we're selling our wine. We can create stunning visualizations, share them with colleagues in their browser or on their iPads or tablets. This is Microsoft Power BI, running on our browser, running over the internet. Here's our list of wine information. We can simply click on that and see the same visualization we saw in Excel. And I stress we've not got a copy of Excel on the PC here, we're just viewing it through a browser. We can do all the same things we do. We can filter it down to the UK, or we can see the sales in a particular area or by a particular salesperson, or we can see the sales by type of wine, here Bordeaux for instance. Once again, we can see the data with a geographic element to it and see our sales by postcode and postal district, again mapped onto a map of the UK. All of the views and all of the visualizations that we had in Excel are here available just over the web, and that means also on a tablet or iPad. We can also view our spreadsheet just as that, as a spreadsheet, and work with the numbers and data just as we would any ordinary spreadsheet. But Power BI takes us one step further. We can do ad hoc queries on the data by using Microsoft Q&A. This allows us to ask a question of our data. So we can type in a simple English language question to get a graph out. For instance, show total sales by salesperson by wine type. And this will be shown for us as a stacked bar chart, although there are many other visualizations available. Power BI can act as a dashboard to spreadsheets and information in your organization, available to anyone with the privilege to view the data. This is Microsoft Power BI for Office 365, a step change in the way we use spreadsheets. The Power Tools for Excel, Power Query for extract, transform and loading of data, Power Pivot to analyze, model and enrich your data, Power View to visualize, graph and show data, Power Map for geographic views of your data, and the Power BI modules. Power Q&A to ask English language questions and queries of your data and get the graph and information out. And the Power BI Data Refresh to automatically update and refresh the data in your spreadsheets. This isn't your father's spreadsheet anymore. Spreadsheets are changing, moving to the new visualization methods and new tools available in Power BI. Burning Suit train and consult on all aspects of Power BI for Office 365. Call us on 0800 019 9746 or find us on the web at www.burningsuit.co.uk. Excel is changing. Are you ready for the change?